Hey creative, are you new to Canva and feeling a little lost? No worries. In this video, I'm sharing 10 super easy Canva hacks that every beginner should know. These tricks will help you design faster, smarter, and way more confidently, even if you have just started using Canva today. So, let's dive right in. If there's an element that disturbs you while designing, you can lock that element by clicking the lock icon. You can do this to the entire page by clicking the lock icon at the top of the design page. So these elements don't move at all and you can design freely. If you want to add something like sticky notes to your design, go to tools and then sticky note and pick any of the colored sticky note as per your choice. You can type in anything inside it. If you work as a team or collaborate with people, they can react to the sticky note and vice versa. If you want to duplicate your element, just press Alt on your keyboard and drag that particular element using mouse instead of clicking duplicate icon. This saves your time. If you have a couple of elements placed one over the other and you want to change their position, you can do that by layers options without doing it manually. This is the chronological order they are in. I'm changing the position of the font to the back of the first photo. Now you can see the change here. I'm changing the other photos too for your reference. And you cannot change the background position. You can change your text into curvy format. For that, go to FX and scroll down till the end. Adjust the numbers as per your requirements. I'm gonna add in a new text box to demonstrate this hack. See, if I have a different font for this text but want the same font used for the grammar text, I'm gonna select the grammar first, then the copy style option, and then the hello text. See? And this option does not stop here. It can copy not only the font but also the color. You got it right? If you want to use elements as exactly as these alphabets, just click any element, then three-dot option and go to info. See more like this shows elements related to that particular element. Whereas view collection shows the other elements in the same collection. If you want to use one of your previous designs to your current design, go to projects, then design. Select the particular design you want to insert. Once you click the design, you can see that they are editable too. You can change the color, font and everything. If you use only arrows to move your element or text for small distance, it moves slowly. But when you press shift along with the arrows, you can observe that the element moves quite faster than the previous one. If you struggle to place your element at perfect angle using mouse, here's a way. Go to position and then enter the appropriate angle you want in the rotate box. You can see the changes accordingly. Thank you so much for watching. Please let me know in the comments which one you're gonna use in your designs. Hit like if you like this video and don't forget to subscribe to Designer Jenny for more such videos. Bye.